Robots never sleep. They don't get hungry or tired or forget things, but with proper prompting, they will deliver exactly what you ask for. That's the level of AI chatbots are at currently. I'm Rahul, Senior Solution Architect at Statrys, and I'm excited to share the tech behind Chatrys and how it's reshaping customer support for business owners. At Statrys, we have always prided ourselves on providing hands-on personal support to our clients. But as our community of business owners has grown, so has the demand for around-the-clock assistance. Outside of the traditional working hours of 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Hong Kong time, we wanted to answer anyone who chatted with us immediately without compromising on quality or accuracy. That's why we have developed Chatrys, an AI chatbot for after-hour chatting, so you are covered 24/7. By the way, take a second to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Chatrys was built using large language model and vector search engine, which means it has a powerful ability to understand human languages in all its complexities, while also being able to search a database of facts. A large language model is an AI model trained on tons and tons of text data to understand and generate human-like language. Basically, it ends up chatting like a smart human being. A vector search engine is like superpowered search engine that understands the meaning of words. It's not only looking for words, it's actually looking for things that fit what you actually mean, even if you didn't explicitly say it. For example, if someone mistakenly asks Statrys what their Statrys IBAN is, Chatrys would still understand what they probably wanted to know was their Statrys account number and give it that information. Essentially, we have made Chatrys able to interpret nuanced questions, detect intent, and provide responses that are not only correct, but it also feels genuinely helpful and natural. Oh, and it's polyglot. It speaks multiple languages. To train Chatrys, we developed custom datasets made up of real-world questions, FAQs, and resource specific to Statrys. We work closely with our customer experience team to curate these training datasets so Chatrys can access our internal knowledge and provide answers that align with our brand and support philosophy. And it's not just about answering questions. Chatrys is designed to verify its responses by cross-referencing multiple sources of information. That's the vector search engine at work. This way, clients receive accurate and consistent answers, no guesswork involved. Chatrys is essentially built to simulate how a support agent might respond, using the latest in machine learning to ensure its accuracy. Thanks to the large language model it's built on, Chatrys can learn and improve based on each interaction, continuously refining its responses over the time. This is a major advantage because as our services evolve, Chatrys is able to stay up to date and deliver relevant support. Chatrys is also a valuable tool for our customer experience team. Rather than spending time answering repetitive questions, our CX team can now focus on more complex cases that require personal attention, like handling blocked payments or regulatory issues. Meanwhile, Chatrys manages the general inquiries backed by consistent and reliable information. For business owners, getting answers quickly can be the difference between smoothly handling an issue and unnecessarily delays. Chatrys has quickly become a helpful tool among our clients, handling a range of inquiries efficiently anytime, anywhere. So whether it's payment question, onboarding details, or compliance support, you can count on Chatrys to provide helpful responses. If you want to know why we are so proud of our customer support, visit statrys.com and see how Chatrys can answer your initial questions about our services. Go ahead, give it a try. And before you go, subscribe to our channel.